Hello everyone, I'm Arunima from Knit and Otter, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make the crab stitch. So the crab stitch is a stitch which is generally used to make a border or an edge, and it really is just a reverse single crochet stitch. So here is a single crochet swatch that I've made, and I'm going to make an edge right here with the crab stitch. So the crab stitch can be made on any stitch. It doesn't have to be an edge of single crochet stitch or on top of single crochet stitches. It could be anything. It's just for the purpose of this tutorial that I'm using this single crochet swatch. So I have this yarn that I'm going to make my edge with. I'm going to begin with this corner because if you are doing single crochet, you'd be going in this direction. So when I made this row, I started here and I ended over here. The crab stitch is made in the opposite direction, so I'm going to attach here and I'm going to work on the opposite direction. So I'm going to go ahead and attach my yarn. So here in the last So I just attached my yarn, and I'm going to do a chain, and then to make my first crab stitch. So if I were to make a single crochet, I'd insert my hook in the next stitch here, but for the crab stitch I'm going to go in the other direction. So I'm just going to take my hook, and I like to hold the yarn, so hold this loop so it doesn't slip. So I'm going to hold this, go in this stitch right before it, insert, yarn over, pull through. That's 2 loops on the hook, just like a single crochet. So I'm going to yarn over and pull through both. So that's my first stitch. Now for the next one, I'm going to again hold this, go into the previous, insert, yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over, pull through 2. So that's the second one. I'm going to make a few more and show you how it looks. So hold this. If I don't hold this, it sort of gets stuck in that hook there. So just hold it, insert my hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. So this is how it's looking so far. I'm going to go ahead and complete the entire row. And that completes it. So if you look at this, this is a nice, it's almost like it's corded. So it's this creates this beautiful edge here. It's nice and sturdy, and there's not much to it. If you know how to single crochet, then you can easily make this stitch. If you have any questions about this, please feel free to reach out to me, and I will see you in my other videos. Bye bye.